that it's exploring IPO, VMw.a reverse merger. Dell Technologies on Friday confirmed that it's considering strategic options to boost revenue and raise funds, including combining with VMware on the public market in a reverse merger scenario. NFL's new secret weapon for training world-class athletes, Smart Beds. The National Football League is teaming up with Sleep Number to help its players use big data and machine learning to improve their sleep and boost performance. Read more in a regulatory filing. Dell said its board is evaluating whether to carry on with the existing ownership structure and business as usual, pursue an IPO of Dell Technologies common stock, or opt for a business combination with its virtualization subsidiary VMware. The regulatory filing was oozing with Dell's apparent reluctance to divulge this information, with the company writing that it would normally keep deliberations confidential until a particular course of action is determined. But because Dell Technologies owns 82% of VMware, we are required to make a public filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Dell Technologies founder and CEO Michael Dell took his company private 4 years ago after more than 2 decades on the stock market in a deal worth $24 billion. In 2016, Dell acquired EMC in a massive $67 billion deal. The agreement also included EMC's majority stake in VMware, which now has a market cap of around $50 billion. VMware issued its own statement Friday but didn't offer any more details into the potential deal with Dell. We are not in a position to speculate on the outcome of Dell's evaluation of potential business opportunities, said VMware CEO Pat Gelsinger. Dell has been a tremendous partner since it became our majority owner and as we've accelerated our growth. We look forward to Dell's continued support as we work to execute our growth plans in the years ahead. A reverse merger would see VMware buying Dell, instead of Dell buying the remaining 20% in VMware that it doesn't already own. A existing lockup provision blocks Dell from buying out VMware until September. Previous and related coverage. Dell reportedly considers IPO, VMware deal. The tech giant may be considering strategic options to raise fresh funds. VMware beats Q3 earnings targets as revenue climbs 11%. The virtualization giant reported Q3 revenue of $1.98 billion, or $1.34 per share. Dell EMC, HPE, and Lenovo outline next-gen hyper-converged systems on VMware. Hyper-convergence in the data center is at the center of a series of announcements out of the VMworld conference kicking off in Las Vegas this week.